Good morning, princess. Good morning. I'm gonna turn off my Christmas lights. Oh fuck. Guys, I have a fucking pimple in my back and it's been fucking hurting me. One little touch and it fucking burns. Alright broskis, welcome back to another video. We're starting off this day really early. I gotta go pick up a Camaro for the homie JB Performance. Picking it up from the customer's house to his shop. And then after that, the homie JP needs a tow. I'm gonna pick up his Subi. I believe it's his sister's. They're gonna take it to a shop and they're gonna do like a STI swap on it. I'm not sure though. I'm gonna hurry up and then we're gonna take the 350Z to get a line. But first, we're gonna go get a coffee. This is just what I needed. Let's go, broskies. Let's get this day started.
One eternity later.
Alright broskies, we made it to our destination. We're here at JB Performance Motors. Oh my god, is that Ricky?
Yes sir. What's up?
I'm like, they're probably in a total lift. Yeah, it's the white garbage, no?
Oh, he's got rotiforms? Throw this thing in the trash, Philly.
Well, he said, even water went inside the interior. Oh, so it's submerged. I think we'll fucking water with this.
I gotta make sure I got Philly in here.
4x4.
What's up, guys? Right here with Philly.
Unos pinches yonques. I want to pay my 350Z this color.
What is it, like a... Oh, it's got like blue specs, huh?
Like a blue pearl. Which is bad, huh?
Yeah. What do we got here, Philly?
Huh?
What do we got right here?
We got a Hydrolock Corvette.
Full of water?
It's fucking full of water. Is there water in there?
Can't see.
Give me a flashlight. There you go. Oh shit! You see that, Ricky? Oh shit! There's a fish in there. I found my goldfish.
Make sure you follow my boy Bobby on Snapchat. Cake Eaters
22.
Oh, Cake Eaters 22. Show them the snap code, bro.
Oh yeah. I can't find it.
Hurry up, bro. Snap code. Follow my boy.
You entertained? Oh yeah. Hey, that's gonna be 20 bucks, Bobby.
What?
20 bucks for that shout out.
No, good.
Broski, so I'm rushing to pick up some parts for Christian. And the place where I'm gonna pick them up, they close at 2. So I'm fucking rushing out there. I had to stop by at the house because I was 100 short. But I'm almost there. I'm gonna make it for you, Christian. I love you, bro. I'm gonna need some sucky if I make it, bro. I made it at the spot where I'm gonna pick up some parts for Christian. Gotta clean up right here a little bit. Alright guys, so plans are ruined. JP didn't end up needing the tow, and then our alignment guy, he couldn't give us an appointment today, so we got the appointment for tomorrow. So that blows. So fuck it, I think I'm just gonna drive it like that for tonight's sesh. But anyways, this is another car that I've been having for years, and I tried to start it and it started leaking from the water pump, so I'm gonna try to do the water pump on this B. The water pump's under the alternator, so it should be pretty easy. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube. They removed the motor mount and the alternator to get to it. Should be easy. Alright broskies, alternator's off. The turbo, as some of you may know, just kidding, it's an alternator. Check out the pulley on the water pump. No bueno, pinche yonke. So, gonna take it off real quick. So far, seems kind of easy to take off. I'm gonna have to take off the pulley though, because I'm pretty sure there's a bolt in the back of the pulley. So, we'll see how it goes right now. Check it out guys, so I did have to remove the motor mount on the passenger side so I can drop the motor a little bit. I removed the pulley that goes here, and you can see the faulty water pump right here. It's leaking a lot. So only gotta remove those 3 bolts and then it should come out. Woo! Pretty simple. Damn, chinga tu madre. Check out this fucking worn out. I've never seen a fucked up ass water pump like this. The blades are fucking rusted. There's pieces right here. When I would turn on the car, like you would hear fucking like a rod knock, but like a pulley. I don't know, something was wrong. Check it out. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick and try to get a new one. Alright guys, so a quick comparison. Here's our new water pump. Check it out. Fresh. Here's our old one. No mames, this looks like shit. Alright, I'm gonna install it real quick and then I'll check back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm at some quick RTV. Just a little bit. Sometimes I get silicone happy and I fucking throw a shitload. She's on and she looks beautiful. Just gotta put the pulley back on and then raise it up, put the motor mount, put the alternator, put the belt, and we should be ready to fire her up. Alright broskies, I topped it off with water. I'm gonna start it up and then I'm gonna probably have to bleed the water system, so hopefully we don't have any leaks on the water pump. Wish me luck. Hell yeah, so far so good. No leaks, baby. We did it. Just gotta wait till all the air bubbles come out. I just gotta wait till the fucking thermostat opens up, and then we'll put some more water and we should be carry. But I don't think there's any leaks. Check it out, all the water's right there. And then before, like when I would start it, when I would turn on the car, like all the fucking water would pop out. So we did it, broskies. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Oh, don't forget, sesh video tomorrow. We're gonna head out tonight, so expect a drift sesh video tomorrow. Peace out.